We're making soft and chewy pistachio cookies with chunky chocolate chips and chopped pistachios. They have a rich, nutty flavor with almond flour and butter and can be made with either gluten-free or all-purpose flour. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. Now, to make this really easy recipe, we're going to start with our mixing bowl, and you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including ingredients and substitutions, nutrition facts, and frequently asked questions. So in my bowl, I have 1/3 cup of butter that is room temperature, and then we'll add 3/4 of a cup of cane sugar, but you could use regular sugar if you like, and then we'll just cream this together till fluffy. Next, we'll crack in 1 egg and add a teaspoon of vanilla. And this is optional, but I really like to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond extract just to enhance that nutty flavor. Now, it's totally up to you if you want the cookies to have a green color to them. You could use any food coloring that you like. I really like using an all-natural option, so I'm going to use some spirulina powder. You could also use matcha powder if you like. So I'm just going to add 1/2 a teaspoon. It is very green. And then we'll just mix this until well blended. Now, to make these cookies extra chewy and enhance that nutty flavor, we're going to use 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. And then to give that almond flour some structure, we need to add an additional flour such as all-purpose flour or a gluten-free flour blend. So I'm adding 2/3 of a cup of some gluten-free flour. If you're using all-purpose flour, then you'll want to add more like 1/2 a cup and maybe an extra tablespoon. Then we'll add 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. And then we'll just blend this together till light and fluffy. And then to add in our pistachios, I'm just taking 1/2 a cup of some peeled pistachios. And then I'll just quickly give them a rough chop with my knife. And then I'm going to hold out a few of these pistachios to be able to put them on top of the cookies. And the rest goes right into the bowl. And same with our chocolate chips. I'm going to add almost 1 cup to the bowl, but then hold out a few just to push them into the top. Now I'll just take my spatula and fold these down into the cookie dough. That smells so good. And then I'll just come in with my medium-sized cookie scoop and just scoop the dough right onto my cookie sheet. And I do like lining my sheet first with parchment paper, so it makes it really easy for getting the cookies on and off of the pan. And then I'm going to go around and maybe just push a couple more chocolate chips into the tops of them, as well as a few additional pistachios. Well, these look amazing, and they're ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 9 minutes. Well, here are our cookies out of the oven, and they look so good. So we're gonna let these cool on the counter till they're ready to enjoy. And I have one from a previous batch that's ready now. That is delicious. I love how it's just perfectly toasted on the bottom, and then you bite in and it's just soft and chewy. And I love the nutty, earthy flavor that you get from the pistachios and the almond flour. And then getting those chocolate chips in there just takes it to another level. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And I included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.